Backlink gap. Click here. Keep it your domain and then your competitor domain. Paste it here and now your competitor domain. And add 3 competitor. Organic research. And if you don't know its competitor, if you take this step, click here. Organic research. Then paste it here. Then search. Competitors. Domain research. Authority score 2. Paid traffic 0. Backlink 134. Referring domain 82. Photo editor online. Here we don't know any competitor of this domain. We can take another step. Paste it here and this keyword photo editor online, then enter. Copy this link and keep it here. Add more competitor here. Then find prospect. Backlink gap. Prospect for this is a chart. And referring domain chart. And best link that your website has no link, but your competitors have link, you can follow this prospect. all. You take click here, paste, and export here or start outreach. Click here and Excel. Download here and or start outreach. Send prospect to link building tool. Send prospect. Click here.